Hi everyone, it's been a while since the last video about Astro Imaging Toolbox. I had to step away for some time, but in the background I kept working on the software, and today I'm finally back with a major update. If you don't know it, Astro Imaging Toolbox is a suite of tools designed to support astrophotography workflows. From planning to stacking to image processing utilities. As you can see on the left hand side, you have the menu, which is basically split by categories or grouped by categories like planning, and then you can just expand, capture and ingest, calibration and solve, stacking and processing, and utilities. Okay, app is basically settings and help and documentation. Okay, so those are all the tools which are part of this ecosystem, which is Astro Imaging Toolbox. The idea is simple. Instead of using many disconnected tools, you have a consistent environment where everything works together. As I said, it's an ecosystem. It's not just a tool or a number of tools because they work together. In this new version, 2.1.0, I focused a lot on something that was missing before: consistency, usability, and overall experience. The interface has been redesigned to be cleaner, more readable, and more professional. You'll notice better spacing, clearer controls, improved text rendering, and a much more coherent design across all tools. Sorry. One of the biggest additions is the new night vision mode, which is here on the top right. This is especially useful when you are working outside during real observation sessions, and you don't want to destroy your night vision with bright interfaces. So you can switch instantly between studio, which is this one, and night mode. So you just click and the change is applied live without restarting the application. This works across the supported tools, so the entire experience stay consistent. So when you change the theme, basically from studio to night and vice versa, is not just the main dashboard, but all the tools in real time, they're gonna change as well. Another important improvement is the new dashboard, which is this one. Is now more structured, easier to navigate, and visually clearer. From here, you can quickly access all the main tools from this menu on the left-hand side. For example, this is the plate solver. Let me just opening for you, which is this one. As I said, if you change to night mode, even the tool will automatically change, as you can see here. Okay. This is the observation planner, which is amazing. You can just generate a plan, see what is available in your location in the specific day and or night. You can even say, okay, I want to see, well, I have the beehive. You can also just double click on the beehive and you're gonna see it, you're gonna see it here automatically in our integrated planetarium. Okay, and we can close as well. In the utilities, we have a video converter and an image converter. And here is the image converter, as I just said. Will allow you to convert different image file between formats, okay? With different formats supported. All tools now follow the same visual language, same controls, same behavior, and same readability. Several tools have also been improved internally and visually. Astro Stacking Pro, example, has more stable presets and improved rendering. Basically, in this new version, I added more, let's say, because it's already quite a complex tool, you have many parameters to, let's say, to be an advanced tool, which it is actually. So to make it a bit simpler, I created those three presets. So Galaxy, Nebula, and Comet. So depending on what your target is, I mean, the sessions that you are loading into the system from here, then you can simply just say, okay, it's a galaxy. I will just click on the galaxy. Parameter will adjust accordingly. Obviously, you can still use the parameters if you want, but let's say it's a good start to have already something, you know, let's say prepare something like a template, you know, which it is much easier to use. The observation planner has been fixed because now basically is more reliable when calculating the times based on your location. Star Mass Studio has been redesigned with a clearer layout where the preview is now the central focus. And we're talking about the, we show you, here we go, the Astro Star Mass Studio, which is this amazing tool. Okay, just this one. Overall, the goal was not just to add features, but to make the entire suite feel more solid and more professional. This is just an overview of what is new in this version 2.1.0. In the next videos, I'll go deeper into each tool and show how to actually use them in the real workflow. If you are interested, you can find the software of the software at astroimagingtoolbox.com, which is our official website. And as always, feedback is more than welcome. Thanks for watching and welcome back to Astro Imaging Toolbox.